How to change Google Chrome language to English? For that, you need to open the Google and you need to open Google Chrome on your PC or laptop, and then click on the upper right corner three dots line, and on this drop down you have to scroll down and click on settings. When your settings page opens, just click on languages at the left corner of the screen or the left of the screen, and here at the top we can see the websites in your language, and it has been uh, set to English. If you want to change your languages, then you can simply click on the add languages button, and here you can add any language of your choice. For say, let's select English India and click on add. Suppose your PC's Google Chrome has different language, that you can select add language and select the English of any region, and then you can click on three dots in this way and click on display Google Chrome in this language, and you can select the English and easily change your Google Chrome language to English. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.